A recent renovation project has transformed a dated apartment into a cozy and functional living environment, improving the use of interior spaces while preserving the original geometries. The redesign focused on creating warm and intimate domestic areas, seamlessly blending with the existing structure. The renovated apartment unfolds across a single level, providing a straightforward and accessible layout. It features a spacious living area, a fully equipped kitchen, 2 comfortable bedrooms, 2 modern bathrooms, and a designated study. This arrangement maximizes space and offers flexibility for different lifestyle needs, whether for families or individuals who work from home. One of the key elements that ties the entire renovation together is the use of wooden flooring throughout the apartment. This choice of material not only adds a sense of warmth and coziness, but also brings a touch of natural elegance to the space. The consistent flooring unifies the rooms and creates a seamless flow from one area to another, enhancing the overall aesthetic. The walls and ceilings throughout the apartment are painted in soft, neutral shades, which complement the wooden floors and contribute to a calm and inviting atmosphere. These gentle tones also serve as a backdrop that enhances the colors and shapes of the various furnishing elements, from the contemporary sofas in the living area to the sleek kitchen cabinetry. The renovation project carefully balanced style and functionality, ensuring that each room serves its intended purpose while also contributing to the overall design aesthetic. The living area is spacious enough for entertaining guests, while the bedrooms offer privacy and comfort. The study provides a quiet workspace, and the bathrooms are equipped with modern fixtures for convenience. This renovation demonstrates how thoughtful design and attention to detail can revitalize an apartment, making it a welcoming and intimate space. By creating harmony with existing geometries and incorporating warm materials and colors, the project offers a refreshing take on urban living. The redesigned apartment is now ready to meet the needs of modern occupants, providing a stylish and comfortable home for years to come.